So I'm going to opening my gallery, and here as you can see I've recorded a short video. Now I will use this video to make a GIF. First of all, go to your Play Store, and here you have to search GIF Maker, and all you have to need install this lightweight app on your Android phone. GIF Maker, GIF Editor. Once the app successfully installed, now to convert a video into GIF, you don't need to turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular. You can easily convert your videos to GIF without internet. Go ahead and open the app that you just installed from Play Store. And here you will get this interface. Now, all you have to need, just tap on video to GIF. And now from your phone gallery, select the video. And now if you want, you can crop the video just like so. Now just tap on done. And here it may take some moments to process or convert the video to GIF. Once successfully converted, now you can change your GIF speed. You can add effects from here, so you can edit your GIF from here. Now just tap on done and save. Make sure to select format GIF, and you can change your GIF resolution from here, and you can also change GIF quality. And in this repeat, make sure to enable this loop option. Now just tap on OK, and now I'm going to my gallery again. And here we can see the GIF successfully exported. So this is how we can easily convert a video into GIF. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below.